Alright guys, thank you for joining me today on Willie's Walkarounds. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your Scout GPS Link navigation on this 2020 Toyota Corolla LE right here. Alright, so for connecting your Scout GPS Link to the car, you're going to need to download it first. It is going to be called, let me zoom in right there so you can see it, Scout GPS Link Toyota. And then if you have not downloaded that already, you're going to download it. I already have mine downloaded. And then you're also going to need to have your Entune, Entune 3.0. And then if you have not downloaded that already, you're going to need to download that as well. So I've already downloaded that. So let's go on to your Entune 3.0. Alright, so that is already on. And then I'm going to connect to Bluetooth. So going over here, connect to Bluetooth, register phone. It says there are no Bluetooth devices registered. You're going to hit yes. And then it's going to be searching for your smartphone. So I'm going to be doing this right here, adding it on, pair new device, and then Toyota Corolla is going to be right there. So you're going to hit pair. You're going to go to Google and just once. Going to go to the cog wheel right there, make sure everything's good. Going to go back a few times. It's going to say if you want Toyota to access your messages, you're going to hit yes. And make sure you hit yes. And you are connected. So if you see right there, you have your quick connects right there. It's basically your speed dialing. So you're also going to need a USB cable that connects to your phone. Mine is the reversible kind. And then on the Corollas, it is actually going to be a little bit further down. It's going to be right here. You're going to connect the USB. So let me do that real quick. Connect this USB. And then connect it to my phone. Scout GPS Link. It automatically went to Scout GPS Link on my phone. You can see that right there. Alright, and then I'm going to go to apps. Let me move this right here. Going to go to my apps. I'm going to hit update. When you first get it, you're going to hit update. And then it's going to download the update. It only takes a couple of seconds for your Scout GPS Link and your Entune 3.0 to update. Alright, and then you're going to hit install. Continue. And then this will work on both iPhones and Androids. On your iPhones, you have Apple CarPlay, and it's a little bit different way of going at it. So I'll show you that in another episode right there on your Apple CarPlay. But with Android devices, it's going to be your Scout GPS Link. which is very, very, very useful too. Right, and if I get a lot of requests for different kinds of videos, like a walk around on the awesome new 2020 Toyota Highlander, some of our more premium products like the Tundras, the Tacomas, or just a regular car like a Corolla, shoot it down in the comments. Definitely be glad to hear some of your opinions on what you guys want to see. Awesome. So the installation is completed. You're going to hit OK. And then you're going to have all of your apps right there. Quickly go in here. It's your Entune right there. Right, so first things first. Let's just go to Scout GPS Link. Now that you've updated your infotainment system and you've already had Scout GPS Link and Entune 3.0 already downloaded on your phone, hit on Scout GPS Link right there. Interesting. Hold on, just 1 second. Alright, so want to make sure your Entune is on. It should be right there. Yep. It's all good. Okay, so this is going to be vehicle connected via Bluetooth. Alright, and then it's going to ask that Entune App Suite Connect is connected, which is your Entune 3.0 right here. And you're going to go to your Scout GPS link. And then you should see right there that is connected to Bluetooth and USB. Bluetooth is the one on the left, and then USB is on the right. So should say that you're connected. All right, and then that's your maps right there. So if you want to go to an address, let's just type in Keith Pearson Toyota right here. Keith Pearson Toyota's address. There you go. And hit go, and you have it right there. So that's how you connect your Scout GPS link to your phone for your Android phones on navigation. All right, see you in the next one.